Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and in this video I'm going to show you a super simple and easy basing scheme that still looks great. An important thing to think about when deciding how you will base your mini is what color is the model and if it is made up of predominantly light or dark colors. This is a very light colored base, and so a dark miniature is going to stand out really nicely on it. A light colored mini could look good too, it'll be more camouflaged on the base. Here are the very few paints I'll be using. You can find a list of materials in the description below. First things first, don't buy Games Workshop's Astro Granite or Sterling Mud texture paste. They are a ripoff. Do this instead. Mix together some brown acrylic art paint, drywall spackle, and fine grained sand. Mix this up and you'll have some quick and easy texture paste. To find sand, you can either steal it from a beach or find it in the floral section of arts and craft stores. I then spread this onto the base using a wet paintbrush because the texture paste won't stick to the damp bristles. I patted it down flat. Then I dry brushed the base using some Vallejo Bonewhite. This will make it look like some real scale dirt. And it'll add some nice contrast between the brown texture paste. Then the secret weapon, some grass tufts. I'm using some green tufts from a Spanish company called Green Stuff World. You can also find tufts sold by Army Painter and Games Workshop, and can be found sometimes online or in hobby stores. These grass tufts are self-adhesive, but I find a drop of super glue is needed to really stick them down. These tufts add some instant value to the base. They look great and help sell the realism of a model. If you don't want to bother doing anything fancy, sticking a couple of these here and there on your bases will do wonders. And boom, in almost no time the bases are finished. The only thing left is to paint the rim of the base. You may want to pick an accent color off of your model, but a black rim will always look smart. And there you have 3 impossibly easy bases finished. We make tutorials like these every week, and if you like what you see and you want to see more of them, you can help us by supporting us over on Patreon, and you'll get access to some behind the scenes and exclusive content as well. If you want something a little more advanced, you could try out this toxic waste base. Check out this video and lots more like it over on our basing playlist, where you will find dozens of unique and awesome bases. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.